Hey, I'm here to show you how to use the first response EasyCup pregnancy test. Yep, this cup has a built-in pregnancy test. And it's super cute. A lot cuter than the doctor's office one. Okay, first you're gonna open the lid like this. See how there's a test strip already included? Make sure to not remove it. Now all you have to do is pee directly in the cup. Try to fill to this minimum line right here, but also try not to overfill. Pop the lid back on, just like that, and set a timer for 5 minutes. You're gonna put the test on a flat surface, and remember, don't shake the cup. Make sure to wait the full 5 minutes before checking your results. Okay, the results are in. It's super simple. 1 pink line means not pregnant. 2 pink lines means pregnant. Even if one line is more faint or a little bit lighter than the other, it still counts as pregnant. You got this.